Hello, welcome back to Aaron's 1025R Adventures. It's been a little bit since I released my last video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. So this video is in reference to a viewer question I had just before my daughter's wedding, the week before Thanksgiving. And he was asking about the Power Beyond and how it hooked up with my tractor. So looking at my tractor, it's hard to video anything useful because the Power Beyond is really just a couple connections and that's it. So what I've done is I've included several still photos. They're about 15 seconds in length each photo. You can stop on them, see the details. It's a couple photos of my tractor where I had the back end of the Power Beyond, where I had an access panel off, so you can see kind of how the lines route a little bit, and then a couple diagrams from the service manual, a diagram from Green Parts Supply, and then the description to this video I will put the link to the part for the Power Beyond for the 1025R, and hopefully this answers his questions. Yeah, everybody have a wonderful holiday. In case I don't get another video out, if I do, which I'm going to try to before Christmas, we'll see what happens. Please like if you like these videos, subscribe. Always remember, laugh and enjoy. Thank you very much.